Did you know that cucumbers are not just a refreshing snack, but also a hydration powerhouse? These green wonders are made up of 95% water, making them an excellent source of hydration. But here's the kicker. Cucumbers also contain electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help maintain your body's fluid balance. So, next time you're feeling parched, skip the sports drink and munch on a cucumber instead. It's nature's way of keeping you hydrated and balanced. Who knew staying hydrated could be so crunchy and delicious? Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.